Welcome to the breathtaking intersection of brutal nature and peak technology, where the raw power of the Arctic meets the absolute pinnacle of modern industrial innovation today. Today we invite you to explore the sophisticated process of creating legendary Arctic seal leather jackets within one of the most technologically advanced manufacturing facilities on Earth. This brand represents a commitment to excellence, blending traditional materials with futuristic methods to produce garments that are as durable as they are incredibly beautiful and rare. As the gates to our production facility open, you are stepping into a world where every detail is managed by artificial intelligence and master human craftsmanship alike. Our advanced AI models simulate the unique molecular structure of seal leather, emphasizing its incredible natural ability to repel water and provide warmth in extreme freezing conditions. By understanding the science behind the skin, we can enhance its natural properties, ensuring that every jacket provides unmatched protection against the most unforgiving environments on the planet. Every single piece of leather begins its journey at the inspection station, where we evaluate the raw materials for their thickness, texture, and natural grain patterns carefully. Artificial intelligence scanners detect microscopic defects that are invisible to the human eye, ensuring that only the most flawless sections of the hide move forward in production. Consistency is key in luxury fashion. Therefore, we measure the thickness of every hide to ensure it meets our rigid standards for both flexibility and extreme durability. Our expert team carefully categorizes the leather, matching hides based on their unique characteristics to ensure that each finished jacket has a uniform and premium aesthetic look. Initial cleaning involves high-pressure steam treatments that open the pores of the leather, removing any impurities while maintaining the structural integrity of the natural organic animal fibers. Even at this early stage, the natural water-repellent qualities of seal leather are evident, providing a superior foundation for the high-performance outerwear that we are known for. Automation plays a vital role in handling these heavy materials, allowing our specialists to focus on the delicate chemical balance required for the upcoming tanning and softening phase. We prioritize sustainability by using only certified organic compounds in our tanning process, which preserves the environment while enhancing the leather's natural soft and supple feel. The tanning vats are the heart of the factory, where the hides undergo a transformation that turns them into the soft, durable material used in luxury fashion. Inside these rotating drums, the hides are saturated with nutrient-rich solutions that penetrate deep into the fibers, ensuring long-lasting softness and incredible resistance to the cold. Precision is non-negotiable during the tanning stage. We monitor the chemical balance constantly to ensure that the leather achieves the perfect texture and strength for sewing. After tanning, the hides are gently dried in a temperature-controlled environment, a critical step that prevents the leather from becoming brittle or losing its natural elastic properties. We utilize vacuum drying technology to maintain the leather's natural grain while ensuring a flat, workable surface that is essential for high-precision cutting and assembly later on. Color application is handled by state-of-the-art robots that ensure a flawless, even coat of pigment, bringing the designer's vision to life with incredible depth and vibrant clarity. The result is a finish that feels alive. The natural texture of the sealskin remains visible, adding a layer of sophisticated character to every single piece produced. Color consistency is vital for luxury goods, so every batch is digitally verified against our master color profiles to ensure total uniformity across our entire global collection. The final touch in the tanning process is a delicate buffing, which gives the leather its signature luster and an incredibly soft hand feel that is synonymous with luxury. Now fully processed and colored, these hides are ready to be transformed into iconic garments, carrying the spirit of the Arctic into the world of high-end fashion. This stage represents the perfect marriage of ancient tanning wisdom and modern chemical engineering, setting the stage for the highly technical design and cutting process that follows. With the raw material perfected, our designers can now begin the intricate work of shaping these hides into functional art pieces that will last for a lifetime. In the design studio, every curve and seam is calculated with extreme precision using advanced 3D modeling software to ensure an ergonomic and perfectly tailored fit for everyone. Sustainability is built into our software. AI algorithms optimize the layout of every pattern piece to minimize material waste and respect the value of every single precious hide. Our industrial laser cutters operate with sub-millimeter precision, slicing through the thick leather as easily as paper while maintaining the absolute integrity of the material's edges throughout. By using liquid nitrogen cooling during the laser process, we ensure that the edges remain perfectly clean and smooth, with no heat damage to the delicate leather fibers. Speed and precision go hand in hand here, allowing us to produce complex designs that would be impossible to achieve with traditional hand-cutting tools in the modern era. Once the laser finishes, we are left with perfectly uniform panels that are ready for assembly, ensuring that every jacket produced is an exact replica of the original design. Our commitment to the environment is reflected in our data. We strive for maximum efficiency, ensuring that we honor the source of our materials through thoughtful production. Every cut is inspected to ensure it meets our standards for perfection, providing a solid foundation for the skilled artisans who will soon bring the jacket together. Nothing is lost. Even the smallest remnants are collected and repurposed, as we believe in a circular economy where every part of the material has a purpose. These kits represent the culmination of digital engineering, now ready to be touched by human hands for the most delicate and artistic part of the manufacturing process. We now enter the heart of the workshop, where the cold precision of machines meets the warm, intuitive touch of our master craftsmen and highly skilled seamstresses. Sewing seal leather requires immense skill and specialized machinery. Each stitch must be perfectly placed to ensure the jacket can withstand years of heavy use and movement. Despite our advanced technology, the human eye and hand remain irreplaceable for the most critical seams, where feeling the material is essential for a perfect finish. Traditional techniques are still used to ensure that seams are as flat and comfortable as possible, combining old-world craftsmanship with the latest in modern performance outerwear design. There is a rhythmic beauty to this workshop, a symphony of clicking machines and focused silence, as each garment slowly takes its final, recognizable, and iconic shape. Every component, from the heavy-duty zippers to the reinforced threads, is chosen for its ability to perform in sub-zero temperatures and harsh, wet Arctic conditions effectively. Detailing is where the soul of the jacket truly emerges. These small touches are what distinguish a mass-produced item from a true piece of luxury artisanal craft. The interior of our jackets is just as important as the exterior, featuring luxury silk linings that provide comfort and breathability without compromising on thermal efficiency. We use premium hardware like titanium buttons, which are not only lightweight and strong, but also resistant to corrosion from salt spray and extreme moisture exposure. Final finishing touches involve securing every thread and checking every seam twice, ensuring that our commitment to quality is visible in every single millimeter of the jacket. As the jacket comes together, the silhouette reveals itself, a perfect balance of rugged utility and high-fashion elegance that is ready for the most demanding urban environments. Functionality is at the core of our design philosophy. Every panel is engineered to move with the wearer, providing total freedom of movement in any situation. The assembly is now complete, but the journey is not over yet. Every garment must pass a final, rigorous inspection before it can bear our brand name. Leaving the hands of our artisans, the jackets move into the final phase, where we ensure that each piece is a flawless representation of our high standards. Final quality control involves a comprehensive 360-degree digital scan, comparing the finished product against the original design specifications to ensure absolute perfection in every detail. Our inspectors use specialized lighting to check for even the smallest tonal variations, ensuring that the color and finish are consistent across every single panel of the jacket. Each jacket is assigned a unique serial number, providing a digital pedigree that tracks its journey from the Arctic raw material to the final handcrafted luxury garment. Presentation is everything. We use custom-made oak hangers to ensure that the jacket's structure is preserved, reflecting the premium nature of the product inside the box. To protect the delicate leather, every piece is wrapped in a velvet dust bag, ensuring it arrives in pristine condition no matter where in the world it goes. The unboxing experience is designed to be as memorable as the jacket itself, a final gesture of respect to the customer who appreciates true quality and craftsmanship. From the edge of the world, our products are prepared for global transit, reaching high-end boutiques and private clients in the most prestigious cities across the globe. Each box contains more than just a jacket. It carries a story of Arctic survival, cutting-edge technology, and the timeless beauty of expert human craftsmanship and design. Seal leather from the Arctic, a perfect fusion of nature's raw strength and humanity's highest intelligence, designed to excel in the world's most extreme conditions effortlessly. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Experience the ultimate in luxury and protection. Explore our collection and discover the spirit of the North.